Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in the Snapchat camera. Open the app and make sure you're signed in. Once there, aim the camera or open an existing snap, then tap the sticker icon at the top right. If you want stickers from chat, long press a message or tap the smile icon next to the typing area. These first steps tell Snapchat where to pull sticker suggestions from, so do them now to reveal the app's sticker tools and search field. Now you search and choose. Tap the search field and type a keyword, emoji, or phrase. Snapchat matches stickers, GIF, and Bitmoji. Once results appear, browse categories like trending, saved, or local stickers to find variety. Tap a sticker to add it to your snap, then drag to move, pinch to resize, or rotate with 2 fingers. This hands-on editing gives precise placement and style, so your sticker fits the photo or video context visually and communicatively. Finish by saving favorites and making sure the sticker stays where you want it. To keep a sticker for later, tap Add or the plus on the sticker. Once done, send the snap or save it to memories. If a sticker disappears or won't load, make sure Snapchat is updated and you have a stable connection. Clear cache in settings and restart the app if needed. These steps resolve most issues so stickers load reliably and remain available for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.